In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invoice with Stripe. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a professional invoice. Add your customer and items. Fine-tune the details. And send it off with confidence. Start by logging into your Stripe dashboard on the left panel. Look for Billing and then select Invoices. This is your command center for everything related to invoicing. Drafts, sent invoices, and payment statuses all live here. So it's a good place to get familiar with. To create a new invoice, click the plus button or the Create Invoice button. Stripe opens a draft so you can build the invoice step by step without sending anything prematurely. Think of this as your workspace where nothing goes out until you are ready. Next, add your customer. You can choose an existing customer from your list or add a new one by entering their name and email address. Double-check the email. This is where Stripe will deliver the invoice if you choose to send it via email. Accurate customer details help prevent delivery issues and keep your records clean. Now add your items. Click Add Item to include the products or services you are billing for. Give each line a clear name, set the quantity, and enter the price. If you offer multiple services, add a separate line for each one so your customer sees an organized breakdown. Clear descriptions reduce back and forth and help customers pay faster. Before sending, configure the invoice details. Set a due date. Many businesses use net 30, which simply means payment is due 30 days from the invoice date. If you need to charge tax, add the appropriate taxes so the totals calculate correctly. If you've agreed to a discount, you can apply a coupon here as well. Use the memo field for any helpful notes, such as a short thank you, project references, or instructions your customer should know. Keep it concise and professional. When everything looks good, click Review Invoice. This preview lets you confirm the customer information, line items, taxes, or discounts, due date, and final amount. Take a moment to proofread. Catching small errors here saves time later. If you are satisfied, choose how to send it. Either send the invoice via email directly from Stripe or copy the secure link and share it through your own communication channel. Your customer will receive a clean professional invoice with a built-in payment page, and you'll be able to track when it's viewed and paid from your dashboard. That's all there is to it. Create, customize, review, and send. Simple, fast, and professional. Thanks for watching.